Hi, I'm Bharti. Welcome to the Edu Bulletin. Let's dive into today's educational news. CBSE revises post-result fee structure for Class 12 Board Exams 2026 following student concerns over on-screen marking evaluation system. Fee for scanned answer sheets and verification of marks reduced to 100 rupees each, followed by verification of observed evaluation issues reduced to 100 rupee per answer book and revaluation charges lowered to 25 rupee per question, with full refund to be issued in cases where marks increase after re-evaluation. Students can apply for re-evaluation of their answer sheets starting tomorrow, 19th May on the official website cbse.gov.in or cbseit.in. CBSE extends telecounseling and email support facilities for students, parents and schools following declaration of board results 2026. Helpline number 1800-11-800 activated to address queries related to exams, results and evaluation, while official assistance may also be sought through results CBSE 2026@cbseshiksha.in. The board has advised stakeholders not to use an unauthorized Gmail address circulating online. CBSE introduces transitional 3-language policy for classes 9 and 10 from academic session 2026-27 in alignment with NEP 2020 and NCFSE 2023. Circular states that study of 3 languages, R1, R2 and R3, will become mandatory for class 9 students from 1st July 2026, with at least 2 languages required to be native Indian languages. Students opting for foreign languages will be allowed to study them only as a 3rd language if the other 2 are Indian languages or as an additional 4th language. CBSE clarified that no board examination will be conducted for R3 at the Class 10 level and all assessments will remain school-based and internal, though performance will be reflected in the CBSE certificate. Schools have been directed to update their R3 language offerings on the OASIS portal by 30th June 2026. As part of the transitional arrangement, Class 9 students will use Class 6 R3 textbooks till dedicated secondary level textbooks become available, supplemented by local or state literary material selected by schools. For more details, refer to the official CBSE circular. CBSE's new 3-language policy for classes 9 and 10 draws criticism from parents and students, with several calling it an additional burden amid growing focus on AI and technology education. Concerns emerged after CBSE announced that study of 3 languages will become mandatory for class 9 students from 1st July 2026, with at least 2 languages required to be Indian languages. While the board clarified that no external board examination will be conducted for the 3rd language, R3, in Class 10 and assessments will remain internal, parents and students raised concerns over increased academic pressure and implementation challenges. CBSE directs schools to organize Bhartiya Bhasha Summer Camp 2026 to promote multilingual learning and cultural understanding in line with NEP 2020. Circular states that schools may conduct approximately 28 camps during summer vacations or through weekend or after school sessions to encourage students to learn one more Bhartiya Bhasha through joyful and experiential activities. CBSE also encouraged schools to introduce students to Indian Sign Language using NIOS and PM-eVidya resources in alignment with NEP 2020 and the RPWD Act, 2016. The circular also includes suggestive device activities for the 7-day camp. For more details, refer to the official CBSE circular. Bihar government directs all private and government-aided schools to implement NCERT School Bag Policy 2020, mandating that the weight of school bags must not exceed 10% of a child's body weight. Schools have also been asked to install weighing machines for regular monitoring of bag weight. The State Education Department stated that schools violating the guidelines will face action, while institutions have been directed to prepare timetables in a way that reduces the need for students to carry unnecessary books and materials daily. Rajasthan Education Department revises summer vacation schedule for academic session 2026-27. Government and private schools to remain closed from 17th May to 20th June and reopen on 21st June for both International Yoga Day activities and regular classes. The revised calendar reduces summer break duration, while the last date for admissions to classes 9 to 12 has been fixed as 11 July 2026. Meanwhile, several states across North and South India are also reporting changes in school timings and early closures due to intensifying heatwave conditions. Konglepak Students Association raises objections over alleged historical inaccuracies in NCERT textbook Northeast India People, History and Culture. Claims chapter on Manipur contains incorrect references to the state's merger with India, Moirang flag hosting incident, state tree, and the execution date of Bir Tikendrajit. The student body has urged NCERT and concerned authorities to immediately review and correct the content before it is recommended to students. NCERT's Central Institute of Educational Technology to conduct 5-day online training program on video resources, script to screen from 18th May to 22nd May 2026 between 4 p.m. and 5 p.m. Sessions to cover educational video concepts, script writing, production and editing, development of Indian Sign Language videos, and evaluation of video resources. The program will be streamed live on NCERT's official YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. For all the latest updates, stay tuned with the Edu Bulletin. Save the number 721-707-0100 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news and updates.